If you want the opportunity to make life-changing money within 6 months selling digital products, then you need to watch this video. I'm going to show you the strategy that this seller has deployed to actually make fantastic sales and actually make enough money within 6 months to change their lives. And remember, if you're interested in videos like this, my name's AJ. I do all things digital products, AI, and selling on Etsy. So if you're interested in any of that, remember to hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Anyway, check this out. Now, I'm on this fantastic store, this 5-month-old store called Design Drop Studio, and this is a digital product store. Now, what is absolutely phenomenal on the outset about this store is that they have 1,843 listings within 5 months. Now, to be honest, that kind of work is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So I take my hat off to them because it is phenomenal. They've worked hard, real hard on this. Now, if I just very quickly go to the analysis, and remember, if you do want me to analyze your store and do see why you're not making money or how you can improve your store, your profitability, then do check out the link below where I will audit your store and give you some fantastic tips and advice. Now, I'm going to go to Analyze Shop, which is here. And this is using Everbee, my go-to research tool, where you can analyze your competitors, listings, or any other store out there. So do check out the link also below. Now, if you look at this, I'm going to look at the overview. So this store makes $12,516 approximately per month, right? Which is phenomenal. Now, what they've done is they have a strategy, right? Their strategy is to create lots and lots of listings, desirable listings, desirable digital products, desirable designs that people are looking for, right? Now, on top of that, they have a really smart strategy, which I want to explain, which is if I go to bundles, right? So what they do is, first of all, they create listings, right? Designs. So I can just show you maybe some of these designs. You can see this really cool bunny design. So this would obviously be geared towards Easter because you've got the bunny ears and you've got the coquette bow tie with a pencil. So that obviously alludes to being for a teacher in Easter, okay? With the addition of this coquette bow tie, which is a trending design. So they've got a really nice, good combination. So what they do is they sell lots of listings like this, but then they do the strategy. So let me click on the side here. I'm going to click on something called bundles, right? Now, this is what smart sellers do. Smart sellers then create designs, lots of designs in one listing. So you get a bundle of designs, we call it. So you can see this is a 20 Santa sack bundle. You can see 20 designs, 15 designs, 32 designs here at the top. When I come down, you got 9 designs. You got 32 designs here. You got 20 designs here. So these are called bundles. When you put lots of designs into a single listing where the customer can buy, get really good value by getting lots of designs in one go. Now, what they've done is they've really gone into this fantastic strategy where not only have they created bundles, they have one listing which is absolutely selling more than any of the 1,800 listings put together. In fact, this one listing is making more money than any of them combined. Now, let me just show you this. And if I go down the side, you'll see what it's called, which is this one. And it's called Commercial License 1. Let me click on it. And this is what it is. Now, what this is a license. This, you have the commercial license, right? And you have license to all, which basically gives the buyer access to any design out of the 1,843 so far designs, at any of those designs, right? They have access to use any of those. And it says the whole shop for life, right? For lifetime use, which is, this is the gold within the whole thing. And this is a strategy which sellers sometimes they don't think about. They don't think about the end game. Now, this seller has amassed 1,843 listings, and they are now given access to all of the designs in this thing. Now, the thing about this also is this Single listings of whole entire shops or whole entire access like this is usually what gives most of the money to those stores. So if I go to analyze the shop very quickly, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I've gone to the whole listings, 1,836. So I'm going to all the listings here, and then I'm going to look at and see which ones I'm going to go using Everbee, which ones are making the most money. And to no surprise at all, with no surprise, the top selling item, right? And remember what I said, this seller makes at the moment approximately $12,516. Okay. And around 8,726 of this out of the 12,000 or so is made through this one single listing that gives access to all the designs. And this is what I call the strategy, the bundle strategy, the whole store access strategy. Now, this seller has just given access to this. And this is what you have to be thinking about. When you're creating your designs, you have to think about the end game. What am I trying to do? There'll be listings, hundreds and hundreds possibly of listings that you may create that might not receive or get any sales. And by the way, that's quite normal. If you go to any store and you use a research tool like I'm using Everbee, go and check out their sales. Look, I'll do it now with you. Look, let's go to analyze shop. And even this store, I'm going to show you that they've got lots and lots of listings that are making nothing, zero money. So let me go to revenue. I'm going to sort out the listings, and you'll see now that all these listings, wait 1 second, look at that, zero revenue, zero revenue. Look, I could go down further, zero revenue. And they're all different listing ages, 1 month, 4 month, 3 month, 2 month old listing. Remember, this is a 5 month old store, guys. Look, zero, zero, zero. All these are zero revenues here. Look, none of these are making money. All of these time spent doing the designs, mock-up and everything, they are not making money. And by the way, that's quite normal. It's quite normal to make money from a handful of designs, right? It's very, very normal. So expect this, know this, but remember, have your strategy, have your end game. So as you're listing up, as you're creating these designs, right? Obviously do all the right things, do all the right thing, tick all the boxes. And remember, watch my videos when I mean what I mean by tick all the boxes. Make sure the design is on trend. Make sure you got all the sort of you're in the right niche, right? You're sub niching. You're creating designs that appeal to different sub niches, right? Do a combination in terms of like maybe have a trending design like a patchwork, combine it with the seasonality, the time of year, like a Valentine's Day, and with the product of that time, for example, a teddy bear, combine it to make a fantastic design that ticks the boxes. And then on top of that, once you've created hundreds and hundreds of listings, then you're able to give access to your whole shop. And this is where the power is. Now, there is also another strategy where you can give mega bundles. So what you do is you do single listings, you do bundles of 20, 30 or so, and then you do mega bundles of say 100, 200, 300 listings within particular sub niches. Then you can give away the whole store access, or not give away, sell the whole store access, which you will be surprised actually is one of the most powerful strategies of selling digital products out there. So remember, if you do want to know more about this or how to start a business like this, I do have a digital product course, which you can see in the link below. And if you do want me also to check out your store and do a review of your store and audit, also check out the link below. But I hope you liked the video. I hope it gave you some kind of inspiration. And if you did like the video, remember, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.